Welcome to Super Happy Fun Time Extravaganza in 3D! Hey Jeffrey, come in here. I'm watching an online sermon podcast.
Oh wow, Francis! I'm so excited you're taking an interest in the good Lord. Oh look, he even has a little choir boy up by the altar. But wait, that's not what that's used for. Why does the priest have no pants? And what is that little boy doing? Oh golly gee whiz! I can see the future!
God, Rudy, I wish you had never been born.
Oh.
Hey Jeffrey. Wake up. That's all the consent I need.
The grizzly bear is also known as a symbol of America's wildland. It is one of God's majestic creatures.
I want a balloon.
I want to go home.
Francis, I'm trying to teach him something, and you never support me or appreciate anything I do, and you're always drunk, and your attitude is tearing this family apart.
Where are the unicorns?
Where are the hookers?
How come the only time you're interested in anything is if it involves hookers? Do you even have like a million diseases?
How do you know I don't?
Francis, do something! He just got eaten by a bear! Oh my god! Just call the...
I'm starting to really like the zoo. We are never going to the zoo ever again. Why would your first reaction to be to put the unicorn in your mouth?
Sprinkles!
Now we're here getting your stomach pumped. What a wonderful way to spend my afternoon.
Well, maybe if you were a better father to him, we wouldn't be here in the first place.
Well, maybe if you were... Oh, shit. Well, I never wanted this abomination you call a kid in the first place. Maybe if you haven't changed your mind halfway through the abortion, we wouldn't have this problem.
You told me we'd never talk about that again. Ah,